My proudest moment in dance was probably doing the tour of America with Bird Gang Dance Company. Being asked as a company to go abroad to perform our piece was a privilege, and really grateful for that, and it was a great experience. So going to Apollo, Harlem and Charlotte, and doing it in San Francisco as well, but people wanting to bring our work over, that was a very proud moment.
My proudest dance moment for me, contrary to what some people might think, for me it was actually getting to see the magic of my inspiration, Pop and Tackle, because I had heard so much from the other OGs, and even though I'd met him at so many times by that point, I felt I hadn't really seen the madness that the other legends were telling me about, saying to check. And it was in 2010 when I'd taken a couple of my friends to meet him, and we stayed with him for 2 days, and we just saw him let off on a way that completely rearranged everything I knew about dancing. So for me, that was my proudest moment, because my head changed.